Hi, my name is Z.vex, and this is my latest creation, the Ringtone Sequenced Ring Modulator. Maestro 3, 4. Shh, that's Eric. And here's the ringtone. Coming in right here. Ready? How does that work? How does that work? It's so freaky. Here's the ring modulator right here. Here's the guitar going in. There's the carrier. And this is the amplifier. What does the amplifier see? Well, there's two frequencies. One's coming from the guitar. It's actually a set of frequencies coming from the guitar. And then there's the carrier frequency, which is generated inside and controlled by these little knobs here. What happens is the frequency from here and the frequency from there get added together as a sum. And then they also get subtracted from each other as a difference. And those two, that beautiful plus sign there and that minus sign there, form this beautiful resonant tone, which can sound kind of weird if you're playing the wrong notes. But if you plan it all out right, if you set up these pitches so they're just right with the chords you're planning on playing, it can sound very, very cool. The ring modulator is combining its own internal pitch. Here are the notes that it's playing, for example. And if Eric plays the same note over and over again, if you just play one note, Eric, we'll combine it with each one of those notes and listen what it does. 3, 4. And if he bends, all sorts of interesting things happen. Now, the controller on the ringtone that we're using right now, we're using it in step mode with this little switch on S. That means we can move through these lights one by one, manually with your finger or your foot. If you put it into run mode, it uses the speed control to sequence through or to randomly jump. And that sounds something like this. That's what Eric's playing. All right. There's one more feature inside that you don't know about because you can't see it, but it's there. Let's take off the bottom and take a look. I've taken out 3 of the screws so I can just get this one last one out and show you what's inside here. Oh, what a mess. This is the prototype, so it's a little bit messy. Let's turn it on. Have Eric play a little part. And I'm going to adjust this mix control. Isn't that pretty? I'm able to mix in his original guitar, and it forms sort of a disintegration tone with the ring modulated sound. So that's the ringtone. Now get down to your local music store and try one out immediately. Goodbye.